Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I will show you 6 different outfits for fall and autumn season. So जैसे कि हमें पता है सर्दियाँ ऑलमोस्ट आ ही गई हैं एंड इस वेदर में जब गर्मियाँ जा रही हैं और सर्दियाँ आने वाली हैं तो ये बड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि हम क्या पहने बिकॉज कुछ कपड़ों में गर्मी लगती है और कुछ में सर्दी. सो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स दिखाऊंगी जो आप इजीली कैरी कर सकते हैं ट्रांजिशन फेस वाले वेदर में. सो इफ यू वांट टू नो ऑल दिस आउटफिट्स देन कीप ऑन वाचिंग. जैसे कि हम सबको पता है डेनिम जैकेट्स बहुत काम आते हैं ऐसे वेदर में जब ठंड आ रही है, गर्मियां जाने वाली हैं. तो 2 ऐसे आउटफिट्स दिखाऊंगी जो आप इजीली क्रिएट कर सकते हैं विद डेनिम जैकेट्स. सो फर्स्ट आउटफिट जो मैंने क्रिएट करा है विद डेनिम जैकेट इज व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग नाउ. दिस इज अ ब्लैक डेनिम जैकेट व्हिच आई एम वेयरिंग ऑन दिस ब्लैक टैंक टॉप एंड नीचे मैंने पेयर करा है अपना ट्राउजर्स व्हिच इज फ्रॉम H&M and this is beige in color. So beige and black makes a very good combination. Now I will show you the whole look of my outfit. This is how my overall outfit looks. I'm wearing this beige bootcut trouser which is from H&M, my black tank top from H&M and denim jacket that I got from Myntra. I have completed the look with my slip-ons. For second denim jacket outfit, I have curated this outfit with my blue denim jackets. You can see in this outfit, I have curated black monochrome outfit, and as you can see in this outfit, I have curated a black monochrome outfit, and I am layering this with my blue denim jackets. Point is कि कोई भी आप अपना jeans, trouser easily पहन सकते हो. उसके ऊपर you can wear any of your tops, crop tops or tank tops and layer that with your denim jackets. I will show you my whole look. Outfit. I am wearing this black trousers from H&M, my black tank top again from H&M, and this blue denim jacket is from a local market. And to complete the overall look, I am wearing my black flats. Denim jacket has a baggy fit, and this is a little oversized on me. Next 2 outfits that I will show you are around ponchos and shrugs. This is a pretty simple outfit. I'm wearing my black jeggings, my black top, and I have topped it up with this warm poncho. So I will show you the whole look. So this is how it looks. I'm wearing my black jeggings, my black full sleeves top, and I have topped it up with this warm poncho. So this is how my whole outfit looks like. I'm wearing my black jeggings which are from Myntra, my black full sleeves top which is from H&M, and this poncho which I got from a local market. So this is how the whole outfit looks. Outfit in second category is around wearing a shrug. So in this outfit I have paired my trousers with my tube top, and just to layer it up I am wearing a shrug. The basic idea behind this outfit is that I am wearing a plain basic tube top on my regular trousers, and just to match up with the weather I am taking this shrug as a cover up, and this will keep me warm. So this is the overall look of the outfit. I am wearing this beige trouser from H&M, this tube top is from Myntra, and this shrug is from Shein. To complete my overall look I am wearing these chunky sneakers. So third and the last category is around styling your skirts or dresses in autumn season or winter season. So I will show you 2 outfits that I have created with my skirts and dresses. One is the one that I am wearing. So I'll show you the whole outfit. I'm wearing my black full sleeves top with my skirt, and on top of it I have taken my black overcoat. This is how the overall outfit looks. I will show you a close-up of this outfit. This is the overall look of the outfit. I'm wearing this black top from H&M, my black skirt again from H&M, and this overcoat is from Monte Carlo. This is the second outfit with this skirt that I have made. I'll show you the outfit. This brown suede skirt with my tube top, and on top I'm wearing this black shrug just to keep myself warm.